woman walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to meet, pretty woman. I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Mercy. Pretty woman.
Happy birthday, Auntie Blessing!
Thank you for inviting me.
God bless you!
God bless you.
See, pretty woman, and you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely?
Happy birthday, Lola Blessing! More birthdays to come! God bless you!
Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. Oh, pretty woman.
Ang wish nako sa imo hama, happy birthday. Nga tagaan ka og taas na kinabuhi. Umayong panglawas og taas na kalipay sa imong kinabuhi. I love you, ma. Nawa na.
Deepest blue, open the window and let it through. The day is waiting for me and you, and we will do anything.
Ma, happy birthday! Maura akong ikuan nimong pagaan pagtaas pang kinabuhi. Labi na ang imong mga anak, ang imong anak imong mga tulo, o labi na sila akong among mga bana. O pagaan pa migtaas pang kinabuhi, ug mayong panglawas. I love you, Mama.
This is our time. We're feeling so alive. The stars, they all ignite for you and I. This is our time.
Happy birthday, Lola!
We wish you the best and
Good
also
po.
ihatag pa ni Lord na more birthdays to come.
And also, happy birthday, La, and enjoy your day, good health, and stay pretty.
Once again,
Happy birthday, Lola. Bye-bye.
This is our time. We're feeling so alive. The stars, they all ignite for you and I. This is our time. Together we're wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. And I believe this is our time. Sunlight in our eyes. We were made to shine. Music in these veins. We'll dance into the night. This is our time.
Happy birthday, Mother! I hope tagan pang kalawasan next year mag-abot pa ta. Enjoy sa 80th birthday. I love you.
This is our time. Together we're wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. And I believe this is our time.
Di na ko ingon ko unsa ko ka grateful nga naapa ka.
Pero lahat ng problema, laging tandaan, God lang ta always. Okay? Happy birthday. I love you, Ma.